Greetings one and all. Happy Cast Iron Wednesday. Hope you guys are having a great midweek. I am making lunch today. I'm making a barbecue beef bowl with broccoli. So I will admit, just putting barbecue sauce on something, it doesn't necessarily make it barbecue. Barbecue is low and slow. I just don't have the kind of facility here to be able to do that kind of awesome barbecuing. So when I moved in, I had all these big plans. I was going to buy a Weber, I was going to do this, I was going to do that, and then HOA is like, no, you can't do any of that because of other people not being smart, throwing a grill on, going inside the house, catching the underside of the balcony on fire. Thanks, guys. Thanks. So I kind of limited what I can do, so I'm just going to sauce it. So we'll get to it. So I have rice going. It's I love rice, so it's gonna be rice bowl. Got my cast iron ready. Gonna do the beef in here. Gonna do mushrooms because I like mushrooms. You could do onion too, whatever you want. Just change it up. Finishing off my sweet baby rays. I'm steaming up some broccoli, and I've got my cutting board ready to go, which I just pointed at, but you couldn't see. And one of my good knives. They've got some, I actually have some flank steak here. Flat iron steak, which I want to cut real thin, and then it's going to be a flash fry in the pan. Sauce it, bowl of rice, meat on top, mushrooms and vegetables. Should be delicious. Should be delicious. Knock on wood. Alright, let's get this cast iron heated up. Get this steak. Start cutting this steak up. Is there a convenient tear hole? Nope, there is not a convenient tear hole. So we're just going to cut her open. Wow, they have to make it packaging so you have to just tear the whole damn thing open? Alright, got it all wrapped up. Just zip top bag, keep the air out of it. Because it's going to be dinner. This is going to be dinner tomorrow night. So I really need a bigger kitchen. I don't have room for anything. Just like this. Come on. I think this knife needs to be sharpened. Should have ran it over the honing steel beforehand, but I didn't think of it until now. Right, there we go. Then go ahead and get the mushrooms in. Like I said, it doesn't have to be mushrooms. It could be really whatever you want. It's the beauty of cooking. Make it how you like it. You could go onions, shallots, peppers, whatever makes you happy. A little salt. Alright. And the stove is not very level. Something I need to work on. Make sure you can see the meat. There we go. Now what I want to do is I want to cut these into strips. Should go get my other camera so you can see what I'm doing. All I want to do is I just want to put a little salt on this. Not a lot, just some. And then get into my cast iron. It's gonna cook really quick, so there we go. And the mushrooms are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and call that done. Kill the heat. And of course, everything has to be out of camera range. Get that out of the way. And then I'm going to do a little more salt. Now, if you notice how I put it around, I went with the position that way I could turn them in the order I placed them in. Sweet. I'm going to go ahead and reduce the heat. And I'm already seeing red at the top. I know they're getting up there, so I'll move the back ones forward. I don't mind my meat being a little bit rare, a bit rare. Come on. I'm gonna go ahead and kill the heat. There should be plenty of residual heat in that pan to keep the nice. I'm gonna go ahead and just scoot them back off the direct heat. Because them being so skinny, look at that though. It looks awesome. Smells good too. That's my sauce. Here's my steamer for my broccoli, so my broccoli's done. Alright. I don't have to wait around, I can go ahead and just immediately start dishing. First, the rice. Someday I'm going to remember to actually have everything out and ready. This rice looks to be spot on. Some rice in a bowl. Oh, the handle's a little too hot, so I'll just put some mushrooms on there. Sorry about the camera movement. I always apologize for camera movement because I was watching a video and the guy suggested that you never move the camera. So get that in the bowl. I got enough for seconds, which was the plan from the beginning. Get half of that broccoli in there. Of course, I gotta add pepper to everything. Okay. And then I'll give it a couple of hits of salt just because. Alright, let's eat. Let's taste. Alrighty. Taste the broccoli. I know the broccoli's good. A nice big piece of flat iron steak. Oh man. Yeah. That steak's pretty much awesome. Try the rice. Nailed the rice again. The stovetop method worked really well. All right, I'm gonna go eat, and I'll bring you back. You know what? I gotta say, I'm pretty sure I say this every video. Damn, that was good. Clean the bowl. You know, sorry, chewing. The sweetness of the barbecue. And then I cracked a little extra salt right on top. Man, the salty sweet kind of in there. That was money. I'm almost looking forward to dinner tomorrow night so I can make it again. Anyway, the link for the playlist for Cast Iron Wednesday will be in the description and also the end, as well as last week's video. So, and there's a video linked in the description as well, how I clean and maintain my cast iron, which I'm actually doing right now because I gotta leave for work in like 15 minutes. Give me enough time to clean up and then put my mess away. I already got my lunch packed up, but just gotta throw on my uniform and head to work. So anyway, have a great rest of your week. We'll catch you in the next one.